How would you approach this question? You can see that on the left hand side you have copper, 2 atoms of it in that CuS there, and then on the right hand side you have like copper here and then copper in the copper sulfate, and then you have HNO3 on the left hand side and then some nitrates around. So this kind of question may take your time, so instead of thinking about how many or what numbers you have to put here and there, you might just do the algebraic method already, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F. This will be a long one. So let's compare copper, shall we? Comparing copper, we can say that 2A is equal to C plus D. Let's compare sulfur. Doing that, we can say A is equal to D. Let's compare the next one, hydrogen. We can say B is equal to F. I hope this is not strange. So the next one is nitrogen. And comparing nitrogen, we can say B is equal to here 2C. 2C. What else? Where can I see nitrogen? E. Plus E. Where else? Nowhere else. Okay. So I should then pick the oxygen. So for oxygen, I would say 3B is equal to, where else can I see oxygen? 3 times 2, 6. 6C. Where else? Here. 4D. 4D. Where else? 2E. Okay, this is plenty. Is that all? Oh no, that's not all. There's also F here. Plus F. Okay, so we're going to apply our math skills here. Let's pick one number to be equal to 1. Maybe A, right? Should we pick A? Okay, let's pick A. Let A be equal to 1. We just pick something that is one of the simplest things to work with, right? Like this A. That's why I'm picking A to be 1. You can pick any number to start with and then just keep solving the maths. But just pick something that will help you solve this thing easily. So A is 1 and that means D is also 1. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So let's use this. So we can see there that 2 times A is equal to C plus D, right? But D is 1 and A is 1, so it means that 2 is equal to C plus 1. And based on that, 2 minus 1 will be equal to C, therefore C is equal to 1. Okay, we're covering ground here. Okay. So B is 2F, right? That means that 3 times 2F is equal to 6 times C, which is 1, plus 4 times D, plus 2 times E. Nobody knows what E is. But E here is actually B minus 2C. That's what E is from this, B minus 2C. So I'll say 2E, which is actually B minus 2C. I'm about to drop it there. B is 2F minus 2C. What's C? 1. So that is all about 2E. Then plus F. Okay, so this is just math skills. We're trying to write everything in terms of F so we can solve for F. Alright, I'm going to head over to the next page now and I'll continue solving there. This is going to be a whiteboard, so get ready. But on the left hand side, I should have 6F. Do you agree? 6F. And on the other side, I should have 6 plus 4 plus 2. That's 6 plus 4 plus 2 into, and I have 2F minus 2. 2F minus 2. I hope this thing gives us something nice at the end of the day. 2F minus 2 and then plus F. All right, so let's try to solve this. Maybe we'll be able to get what f is. Who knows? 6 plus 4 is 10. This is 2. This is 2f minus 2. And this is f. So what do? I send this f over to this side so that I'll have 6f minus f is equal to 10. And here I would have plus, I'm going to open up this bracket. So I have 2 times 2, 4f. 2 times 2 is 4. All right, so 6f minus f is 5f. So move this over here. I have 5f minus 4f. Again, this is just your easy maths. So 5f minus 4f. Oh, wow. F is out now. Interesting. So f is actually 6. Has been 6 all along. So that's f. So we've gotten a. We've gotten f. We've gotten... Where's b? B is 2f. Oh, wow. Nice. B is 2f. So if b is 2f, it means that b is 2 times this. So b is actually 12. So let's go back here. A is 1, B is 12, C is 1, D is 1, E is B minus 2C. So that means that E is, what's B? 12 minus 2 times C. I hope C is 1. Yes. So that means that, let me get myself over here. So that means that this is 12 minus 2, right? And that would give us 10. So E is 10. So now we have A, which is 1. I'm just going to use I'll write it here. So A is 1, right? B is, what's B? 12. You see that when you're doing your trial and error method, yeah, you may not just think of 12. So we'll think of 12. It's better to just go through the process of the math and get it once. If it's going to be complex, but if it's like easy questions, then you may not need to do this math because everybody knows that the math takes time. So E is 10, and then F is 6. F is 6. But be rest assured, when you do the math, you just get it, right? You get it. All right, so let's check. Copper is 2 on the left, copper is 2 on the right, sulfur is 1 on the left, sulfur is 1 on the right. Hydrogen is 12. Yes, hydrogen is 12 on the left. On the right is 6 times 2, 12. Oxygen is 12 times 3, 36 on the left. And here it is 6. Okay, over here is 36, right? Here is 6, here is 4. So far that's 10. Here is 20. And here is 6. So this here is 10. This is 26. So it means that we have 36 in total, just like this. Good. So now everything is completely balanced. So take note of the numbers I put there. 1, 12, 1, 1, 10, 6. And those are the coefficients to balance this equation. This has been 8 minutes, but I hope you've been able to get 1 or 2 things here. It looks complex, but then we were able to get our answer using this algebraic method that I'm sure you guys like by now. Alright, so I will see you on 48. Remember to subscribe if you're just seeing this for the first time, or if you've not yet subscribed, because there might be other interesting things that you will get to see, right, if you are part of this community, right? And like this page if you're seeing this somewhere on social media. Just click like so that we'll know that you like it. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.